Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Make your Upscrolled videos downloadable. Easy tutorial. So here I'm going to teach you how to make your they call this video that you have posted here at Upscrolled downloadable. So this is a easy tutorial, so you can easily follow it. All you need to do is open up your Upscrolled right here. As you see right now, Upscrolled open up. Now we just need to press on our the icon, the profile icon on the bottom right corner. And once we are here, all we need to do is press on settings right here. After pressing on settings right there, all you need to do is scroll down till you see media. There you go, as you see right there. Now after we press on our media right here, we just need to choose right here on the bottom right there, as you see right now. And we can choose it. As you see right now, it's off right now, but we choose to on it. So once we've on it, this allows other users to download your video posts by default. You can always disable this for individual posts when creating or editing them, but right now we've enabled it. But if we gonna do an individual post, let's say we're gonna post right now, we can choose to disable it or enable it. But right now, as you can see right now, all the posted right now, we don't have any posted right now, but all of the video posts right now is on that are on default. It will now be able to download here at Upscrolled. So yeah, there you go, guys. Now that's how we do it. So if you have any more questions from questions, you can type the question below, and to turn it off, just press on that. There you go, guys. And there you go, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it in the comment below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.